Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD-CAM. Today we are going to make our second English tutorial video. Remember, this is for not only for teaching you how to use Solidworks in a basic way, and the most important part of these videos is that I want to put in practice all my speaking abilities and remember it, and if I put it in practice I could, I don't know, learning more things and things like that. Okay, I could explain you more fluently. That is the thing that I want to learn. Okay, so today in this video we are going to make this piece. Let me check you. I am going to here. Okay, this is the piece that we are going to make, and this is a camera. It's very easy to do it, so let's go for that. I am going to my software Solidworks 2018. Remember, I always work in millimeters, grams and seconds. This is the scale that I constantly use because I don't know, it's for me it's more easy, and I use it a lot since I studied that program, so that's the principal reason. Okay, so let's go. First, we are going to make this the principal square, the principal box, yes, of the camera. So for that we need to make a rectangle. We are going to make a rectangle of 150. Okay, I am going to use millimeter, remember, and I am going to start with that plane. Alzado is in Spanish. In I don't know, in English is front, could be. I don't have the software in English, so sorry for that. In the next video, I would like to put these commands in English because I think it's more easy to explain you if you are a real English speaker, a native speaker, okay, and not an Spanish speaker. Okay, so in the bottom we are going to put 100, and in the lateral we are going to put 50. Okay, very easy. I use this rectangle. This is the rectangle that you can see. This rectangle has a point in the center and a point in the corner. Okay, and we are going to extrude this rectangle 30. Okay, this one we are going to operations extrude, could be, I don't know if it's the correct way to say extrude, and we are going to extrude in the last one. Okay, we are going to select the last one, middle plane, I don't know if it's the correct way to say it, and we are going to put 30. Okay, because 15 plus 15, 30. Very easy. And we're going to click in the arrow. Okay, let's go. The second thing that we are going to do is this part, the cylinder. We are going to work in this face. Okay, we are going to click Control in your keyboard plus H at the same time. Okay, and we are going to put this circle in the center, and the diameter that we are going to collocate is 50. Okay, very easy. Okay, sorry for one thing. We are going to put another 10 in this part because I am going to put click here, and in this one, in this plane, I am going to rework because this is not 50, this is 60. Why? Because sorry, because I have 50 and I didn't see, sorry, the 10. Okay, so we are going to plus and this is equal 60. Okay, and now in the last plane that I was working, yes, my circle, and I am going to operations, extrude, and I am going to put 20. Okay, 20, yes. The third thing that I am going to do is put this bottom, I think it's a bottom, in the top of the camera. So I am going to work with that. I am going to work in this face. Remember, I click in the face, and the second thing that I am going to do is here. Click in this part. Croquis is in Spanish, I don't know how to say it in English, sorry. Could be plain. Croquis, I am not sure, sorry. And I am going to put a diameter of 20. This is a very easy tutorial. It's the principal things that you have to know when you are going to start to working in a program. Work in the AC things, okay? Because this is important to start to learn about the software, the position of the controls and that things. Okay, and if you see, this bottom is in the center of this line, okay? 15 and 15. We put it in the center, and in the another part from here to here we had 50 again. 15, sorry. 15, remember. We have 15 here, and from here to the center we have 15 too, okay? And the second thing that I am going to do is extrude again. We are using a lot of extrusions, and I am going to put 5 here. I am going to put 5, okay? And click in arrow. I accept the conditions. The second thing that I am going to do is make this another bottom that is a box. And okay, I am going to work in this face again. Remember, click Ctrl plus 8 is in Spanish, plus H at the same time. I am going to work with this rectangle, the second one, that have this point in the center and this point in the corner. And I am going to put it here, okay? We have these bots that, if you see, we don't have the length of this line and no of this line, so we are going to put arbitrary values. So I am going to put first I am going to put this one for the point of the center of the box of the rectangle. I am going to put 15, and in another part to the center to this part we have 15 again, okay? I would like to this plane was correct, but sorry, we don't have, this is not a correct plane, so it's not a problem. We are going to put arbitrary values here. So I am going to put, what could be seen, 15. I think 15 is good. Yes, the same length of this one. I don't know if this diameter is the 20. I think yes, 20. Yes, 15 is okay. And I am going to extrude 5. Operations, extrusion, and I am going to extrude 5, okay? Yes. And the last part that we have is this thing. I don't know, could be the optical, how to say. Yes, the optical part of the camera when you put your eye, when you want to take a photo. So I don't know, but we are going to work in the lateral view here, Ctrl plus H, and we are going to do this thing. We are going to start from here point, and let me check. Okay, we put here, and it's here, and it's here. Sorry for the noise. I am working in my house, and the noise is from my sister and my nephew. So sorry for that. Okay, but don't worry. The next part is we are going to cook this angle of 45 degrees. Okay, and the last part is we have a 10 here. This is a 10, and that's all. And the next thing, we are going to extrude in 30, okay? We are going to go to operations, extrude, and we are going to collocate the last one, middle plane, and at 30, okay? We accept, and this is all. And we have another thing here. We have this division of the camera. This is a, how to say it, it's a good way to see. They look better than if you don't have this line. So for that we are going to do a magical thing. We are going to collocate this line, touch this line, and we are going to collocate here. Okay, we are going to have the dots again. The next thing that we are going to do is let me check how we can do it. Easy. What could be a good way to do it? Okay, I get it. We are going to work in this part, and we are going to click here, Ctrl plus H, and we are going to put another rectangle, and we are going to collocate a distance from here to here of 0.1, and from here to here the same thing, 0.1, and we are going to extrude 10. Okay, operations, extrude in the another thing, in another follow. Okay, then we have 10 and we click, and the next thing is we are going to collocate this line to the end. Okay, and that's all. We have our pretty and very, I hope to say it, very beautiful camera. A very easy way to work in SolidWorks. This is the basic things that you have to know if you want to start with this software. Okay, we use the okay, let me check here. That doesn't matter. I am going to check it. That's because this point, and we are going to eliminate these correlations, and we are going to put here, from here, 0.10. Okay, and that's all. That's the only thing incorrect that we have. No, we have another one, and this is from here. Okay, I am going to put click here, and I am going to make this with this one collinear, and that's all. I think that was the only mistakes that we have. Okay, let's go, and we got it. And how I say it, this is the first thing that we have to consider to start with a software. Know the basic things, the basic tools that your software had, and we work with only this tool that was extrusion, and obviously we have with these croquis splines, I don't know how to say it, and we make use of these commands. We use the rectangle and the circle and the line, of course, and that's all. We have this part of our, how to say it, of our software in our screen, and this is the part of the, how to say, the operations and the croquis planes that we are going to doing during the process. So that's all. Thank you very much for saw my second video. I am going to put it here, a video from the first tutorial that I made in English, of course. And in this video we work with another tool. I consider I work better this time than the last time. I think this is because I like it, the things that I am doing for you, sorry. And this is all. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you are a native speaker, sorry for that. Yes, I am learning. the most important part of this video, remember, is that I want to put in practice my speaking. So sorry if you want to, I don't know, if you want to learn with a native speaker. That's another thing that we have here, but I would like to start to work and to talk with like a native speaker. So for that videos, okay. So in the I wish that in the future I could talk like native speakers. So thank you very much for watching my video again, and you can follow me in Instagram, Facebook, and here in YouTube, of course. And you can put a click in the like, and you can write a comment if you like something and you want to put it in the comment sections. And if you want to make a critical thing to write me, it's okay. I am learning again, like I say you, I am learning English, and I like teaching things like that. So I think it's a good complement between learn and teach. And that's all. Remember, you can subscribe in the bottom of in the subscribe button, and you can follow me and click in the bell. And that's all. Thank you very much. This is your friend Omar, and that's all. Bye bye.